Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Verilog coding with me. So let's get started. So today we will be seeing connection ports by name and 3 modules. So this is a similar problem we have solved in last one, but last time we have used one different approach, position approach. In this we will use the name approach. So in the name approach it's little bit tricky. Mod 1 is our name. So here it is given as output 1, the name of the. So here we have to use the dot operator. Put 1, comma, dot, output 2, input 1. So here the name is in1. So we have to write dot of in1 bracket a. Similarly for others, dot of in2 bracket b, dot of in3 bracket c, command dot of in4 bracket d. So that's it, we have to submit. So compiling process has been started. So there is one error, cannot connect instant port both by order and by name. So here I have missed one dot operator. So we will submit it once again. Now you can see there is no error in our code. So as you can see the status is success, and these are the timing diagram for our problem statement. So let's move on to the next one. So this is our problem statement. Here we have to instantiate my underscore dff module 3 times, and for that we have to use wires to store these intermediate results. My dff, this is the name of our first module, m1, input output. So first we need to declare wires, wire x1 x2. You can give any name. I am choosing here x1 and x2. So here I am using the position approach. Input block, comma d, comma x1, my dff m2, block, comma x1, comma x2, my dff m3, block, comma x2, comma q. So here in the first block the input is clock and d, and the output will be x1, intermediate result that we are storing in the wire x1. So similarly for second block, our input is the output of the first block. So here is the x2, here is the x1 output, and for third block the input is output of the second block, and our final output is output q. So let's submit the code. So the compilation process has been started. So as you can see, this is the timing diagram. So in the next video we will see about modules and vectors, adder 1 and adder 2. So that's all for today.